Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sentry with Nginx reverse proxy step by step clearly. To activate Sentry with a Nginx reverse proxy, start by ensuring you have a running Sentry instance. Next, install Nginx on your server if it's not already installed. You can install Nginx using the command specific to your operating system. Once Nginx is installed, open the configuration file for editing. This is generally located in the /etc/Nginx/sites available directory. Create a new configuration file for your Sentry site. Name this file something identifiable, such as sentry.conf. In the configuration file, specify the server block to define the server's properties. Start by setting the server name to your domain or IP address. Set the port to listen to, usually port 80 for HTTP. Define the location block to direct traffic to the Sentry service. In this block, set the proxy_pass directive to point to your Sentry instance. Add the necessary headers to ensure proper functionality. Include the following headers: proxy_set_header host $host, proxy_set_header x real IP $remote under. Run Nginx T to confirm there are no issues in the configuration. If the test is successful, proceed to restart the Nginx service. Use the command system to restart Nginx or the appropriate command for your system. Now, you should configure Sentry to recognize the reverse proxy. Access your Sentry settings and locate the System Events section. Ensure that the proxy option is enabled. After you configure everything, open a web browser. Navigate to your domain where Sentry is set up. You should now see Sentry's login page served through the Nginx reverse proxy. If something doesn't work as expected, revisit your configuration file. Double-check that all directives are correctly set. With everything properly configured, Sentry should now be running smoothly behind Nginx. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.